Hey, little boy. Are you eating? Here. Now pick up the spoon. Get the spoon. There you go. Yay! Oh, kind of missed. You missed. You missed. Give me that spoon. Try it again. Try it again. I think I held the camera crooked. Give me that spoon. Here. Are you ready? Ah, run here. There you go. And I missed it again. Give me that spoon. Okay. Here we go. I won't miss it this time. He's so cute.